Y'all ever had a window company promise you the best deal, then bam, hidden fees hit you like a bull in a china shop? Like, oh, don't worry, that extra $500 per window, that's for our exclusive premium install service, whatever that means. Or worse, companies that sell you windows flimsier than a wet paper bag in a hurricane. Like, seriously, I just got these windows installed. What kind of junk is this? And don't even get me started on the companies that take longer to install windows than it took to build the Alamo. Like, it's been 6 months. Where are my windows? You building them out of unicorn dust? That's why smart Texans don't mess around. They call Texas-made windows and more. We ain't about overcharging, selling flimsy windows, or wasting your time. We do things the right way, the Texan way. Here's why folks trust us. Strong, energy-efficient windows, fast, no-nonsense installation, happy customers, real results. For over 24 years, we've been helping Texas families keep their homes cooler, quieter, and more comfortable. No excuses, just darn good windows. Stop waiting months for bad service and stop getting scammed by shady companies. Call Texas-made windows and more today. Y'all deserve quality windows, honest prices, and darn good service. Let's get you all set up today.